So you've kind of got the hang of proofs, but you still get stuck or have trouble getting started. Let's talk about the strategy of building up and breaking apart. Proofs are like chess. You have to think several moves ahead. But maybe an even better analogy is Legos. Because completing a proof is a matter of building up the sentences you need after breaking apart the sentences you're given. Let's take an example. Either dolphins are dangerous or not just happy-go-lucky water pails. If dolphins are dangerous, or not just happy-go-lucky water pails, or there is some evidence they are aggressive, then divers should not swim with them carelessly. Either divers should swim with dolphins carelessly, or they should steer clear of dolphins. So divers should steer clear of dolphins, or be prepared to defend themselves. Here's our argument in formal language, and we need to prove C or P. The first step is to scan our premises and look for any promising connections. Here's one. D or not H appears in line 1 and then again in line 2. That's probably important. Of course, it's not an exact match. This sentence has or A attached to it. Our line 1 just says D or not H. But maybe we can build off line 1 to match what we have in line 2. Thinking ahead, that would set us up for Modus Ponens, and we could break off the not S. We're definitely on to something, so let's try to build up that long disjunction. We'll take the D or not H from line 1 and enter it on a new line. Then we'll simply add on what we wanted, or A, making sure to use parentheses to keep a well-formed formula. The inference rule that allows us to do this is called addition. Let's take a closer look. Addition says, if you have a sentence on a line, you can enter that same sentence on a new line and add on anything you like, as long as you do so with a wedge, so that the result is a disjunction. Again, notice that Q just came out of thin air. We just tagged it on there using addition. Same thing here in line 4. We got the D or not H from line 1, and then just added the or A because it was useful to us. We built what we needed. Now our line 4 matches the antecedent of the conditional in line 2. Modus Ponens says, when you have a conditional on a line, and you have the antecedent of that conditional on another line, then you can go ahead and take the consequent of the conditional. Think of it as a rule that allows you to break off the consequent. So that's what we'll do here. That's MP on line 2, which says if D or not H or A, then not S. And line 4, which says D or not H or A. So not S. So far we've done some building and some breaking. What's next? Well, line 3 says S or C, but our new line says not S. So C. That's disjunctive syllogism, a breaking rule. It allowed us to break off the C from line 3 using the not S from line 5. Disjunctive syllogism says, when you have a disjunction on a line and the negation of one of the sides on another line, then you can break off the other side. That's exactly what we did here in line 6. We have now proved C, but what we really wanted was C or P. We'll have to build one more time, with addition again. Let's take the C from line 6 and just tag it with a P, using the wedge, of course, as required by addition. Remember, addition allows us to add anything we want, so we might as well add on what we need to complete the proof. So there it is. Through a process of breaking and building, we arrived at our conclusion. Nearly all the inference rules can be thought of as either tools for breaking or tools for building. Give it a try and see if this Lego approach to proofs is a strategy that works for you.